Hello, here at Clads, we offer you quick tabletop replacements. Zero downtime. You order, you receive, you install in minutes with no tools. We take a simple look and say, excuse me, I'd like to change out your tabletop. Here's one of our serving trays. If you could hold your items for me, please. You receive your tabletop, remove it from the package with the quick release adhesive we send you. You simply place, press, and ready to serve. Excuse me. We have centerpiece items, we have bottle risers, we have our condiment holders, as well as business card holders, all designed in the same design as your tableclad. We now offer a graphic tabletop for sports themes, holidays, weddings, and many other venues. Thank you.